Brent Talton. The place where I come from, drinking moonshine was like water. So, been drinking since before I can remember. I was always the guy that got things done. Part of my drinking was because I didn't want to help anybody. I didn't want to be needed. What led me to drug court was a lot of public intoxications, and I suffered really bad withdrawals.
I've known Brent since about 2018, and he did really have some struggles while he was in the program.
Going through the program, my public defender, Madison Malone, I watched that woman fight for me hard.
He is so charismatic and has this personality that can really draw people in, but sometimes he can use it to make the judge really frustrated. He did, not anymore.
So yeah, Brent was in the program. He, in his courtroom, he had his ups and downs. He's come to his courtroom and had many sanctions, and sometimes even left his courtroom in handcuffs for his program violations. Today, he's a completely different person.
This is a picture of me and my lovely wife, Jessica. The courtroom that was once a part of what I felt like was condemnation was redemption. I married her. Judge Stoner is the one who was the presiding judge over my case, and then he presided and married me and my wife in that very courtroom.
It was my pleasure to preside over his wedding and to unite him and his wife and to be part of their continued story.
I got permission from Mr. Ravitz that we could partner with the Diversion Hub to hire a full-time case manager to work with the drug court participants, and my first thought was Brent.
Somebody who is employed, who is providing for their family, it maximizes success.
When I sit here at the Diversion Hub, what I do is I meet with these people. I'm able to go get them out of jail, and I will walk them through every facet of the beginning till the end if they need that, if they want that.
Diversion Hub connects individuals that are entangled in the criminal legal system to needed supports and resources, one of the most essential being employment and connections to education. We do this by embedding expert service navigators on site.
I explain it as a one-stop shop for the needs of people that have, on probation. I have an open case in Oklahoma County. We help people with the necessities, the things that they need.
So in doing the work, when I came to the Diversion Hub, I get to go be the face that somebody sees walking out of jail. I'm in. And who better to maybe help you work a problem in a job like what I'm doing than somebody who actually had the problem.
And a lot of times, clients won't plug in unless they know that you've been through something familiar. He can reach a client that maybe I couldn't. People trust people that have been through some of the same things. It's easier to trust them.
It's amazing to see how he's come into the role and has built new relationships with participants that honestly some of us were having a hard time reaching, connecting with, figuring out how to get their needs met.
Brent shows up every day with a big smile on his face. He's eager, he's passionate. He has the work ethic that is unlike really anyone. So being able to bring him on site and work with those that are going through these programs helps ultimately increase success for the clients that we're serving.
We have an 83% graduation rate, and so that means people who will work the program and get committed to the program, it really does work. It's very predictable.
I know that it's possible because I'm sitting here.
It's very important that you give people a second chance. It's very important that you give people a chance, period.
Diversion Hub has hundreds of clients that are ready to help you in your workforce.
And I'm so thankful that the Diversion Hub let us take a chance on hiring a graduate. It is a game changer for us to have people with lived experience on the team.
If you see somebody who has the skill set that you're looking for, and then there's a little box that says felony, and you look at that box over the actual skills, that's a problem. You're bringing another facet to your company that wasn't there before.
He can see that where they are right now is really not the best versions of themselves, and he can see what it is they're capable of doing.
A year from now, that person who's in the program is me. And that's what these jobs can do for these people. That's the whole point.